Hello, today I would like to present you with this absolutely beautiful vintage keyboard from Yamaha, model number PS2. I would date it around years 80s. As you can see, you've got this absolutely beautiful carrying case, so it is a portable device. It can be battery operated or it can work from a power supply. It is called, this series is being called Yamaha Portasound, and most likely that's because it gives you ability to be a truly portable. As you can see, it was made in Japan and it's being powered by R14 batteries. Here we've got a battery compartment, but we've got also ability to use a power supply. We can operate it by headphones, and we've got also a sustain pedal connector. As portable device, it contains speakers, so with the battery you can be truly portable. You can clearly see that this is a vintage stuff, and that's because those are not a tactile switch, those are ISO stat. So as you can see, those are real switches, and as soon as you press one of those, the other is being depressed. Absolutely beautiful. All switches are fully mechanical, regular switch with a nice click. As you can see, we've got a different volume adjustment knobs, and that's because this device can play like a background sounds. So with a one person you can be like a whole band, and that was very heavily used by all sorts of different street artists, because you can play alone and you can get the accompaniment being played. So let's try to power it on. Let's start from powering it on and checking what kind of sounds do we get built in, and I will walk just through them. We can also use the sustain pedal. It can be external, but we've got that switch. So as you can hear, it sounds very nicely. Then we've got ability to use a single finger chord, and as the name implies, if we press one finger, as you can see, I'm pressing one finger and we've got a whole chord. And we can make adjustment of that by using the blue knob. Let's start with the background rhythm. That's going to allow us to play a background for our things. We go with the synchro start and we can press any of those keys. And it played that. We can adjust the speed. and the volume. And we can change the style. And of course, on top of that, we can play something our. So it is a really nice, but this is not a top selling point. The top selling point you are going to get if you press that button. You select the type and we go with the synchro, and now I'm going to press the button because we will be able to select the key note and just listen to that. And I'm going to change the note. Selecting one of those notes is going to change the primary sound, and we can follow up with any of those keys. So we can go like this. Those are going to be our primary notes. So if I go here, it changes. And we can follow up with those keys. And we can jump here. As you were able to see, it is a really cheerful device, even if you play alone and you never touch your keyboard. With those features, you can get a lot of good laugh and be extremely happy. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.